What is oxidative stress, and how does it harm your brain after stroke? Imagine your brain as a busy city with constant activity. After a stroke, this city faces a lot of chaos, especially from something called oxidative stress. This condition happens when there's an imbalance between harmful molecules known as reactive oxygen species and the brain's ability to neutralize them. Think of reactive oxygen species as tiny sparks that can cause fires if not controlled. Normally, your body has antioxidant defenses to keep these sparks in check. But after a stroke, especially when blood flow is blocked and then suddenly restored, these sparks can go wild, leading to damage. During a stroke, especially an ischemic stroke where blood flow to parts of the brain is cut off, brain cells are deprived of oxygen and glucose. This energy shortage causes the mitochondria, which are like tiny power plants inside cells, to malfunction. When blood flow is restored, a rush of oxygen floods the brain tissue. This sudden oxygen influx triggers an overproduction of reactive oxygen species like superoxide anions, hydrogen peroxide, and hydroxyl radicals. These molecules are highly reactive and can attack nearby cell structures, overwhelming the brain's natural defenses. This oxidative stress can damage many parts of the brain cells. It reacts with lipids in cell membranes, causing lipid peroxidation, which makes the membranes leaky and disrupts cell function. Proteins inside cells can also become oxidized, losing their normal shape and function. DNA, the genetic blueprint, can suffer strand breaks, impairing cell repair and survival. This kind of damage impairs the ability of neurons to function properly and can even lead to cell death. Mitochondria, the energy factories of cells, are especially vulnerable. When damaged by reactive oxygen species, they produce even more harmful molecules, creating a vicious cycle of injury. This ongoing damage worsens energy failure, making it harder for brain cells to recover. Oxidative stress also activates cell death pathways, including apoptosis and necrosis, leading to the loss of neurons in the affected areas. Another serious consequence is the disruption of the blood-brain barrier, which acts like a protective wall around the brain's blood vessels. Oxidative damage weakens this barrier, increasing its permeability. This can cause brain swelling or edema and allow inflammatory cells to enter the brain tissue, further aggravating injury. Oxidative stress also promotes inflammation by releasing cytokines and activating immune cells called microglia, which can intensify tissue damage. Excessive oxidative stress can cause neurons to release too much glutamate, an excitatory neurotransmitter. This overactivation leads to calcium overload inside neurons, which further damages the cells and increases oxidative stress. Because the brain consumes a lot of oxygen and contains many lipids that are easily peroxidized, it is especially vulnerable to oxidative damage. Its limited antioxidant reserves and high iron content, which can catalyze harmful reactions, make recovery more challenging. Understanding this process is crucial because oxidative stress plays a central role in brain injury after a stroke. While scientists are exploring antioxidants and other strategies to reduce oxidative damage, no definitive treatments are yet available. Protecting mitochondria and reducing reactive oxygen species are promising areas of research. Ultimately, managing oxidative stress is vital for improving recovery and preventing further brain damage after a stroke. In summary, oxidative stress results from an imbalance between reactive oxygen species and the brain's defenses, leading to widespread cellular damage, inflammation, blood-brain barrier disruption, and cell death. This cascade worsens brain injury and affects recovery, highlighting the importance of ongoing research and personalized medical care. Always consult healthcare professionals for advice tailored to individual health needs and stroke risk management.